What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Welcome, guys. Welcome. How no do? Happy Father's Day to each and every one of you out there. Guys, this video is a video where me want to me watch Jemrock live last night. And me watch everybody video, yeah? Don't get me wrong, me watch everybody video away from two people. There's two people video I don't watch. But when me watch last night is a bag of nonsense, a bag of stupidity, a bag of crap. I watch a man on a live who cannot be a moderator for his own live, allow his friend to do stupid things. But listen to what me I go say now. Rub off that. Throw away that. Me did just have to say that. Listen to me now. Me want to talk to Jemrock. And what me I go say to Jemrock right now is just the real thing. Jemrock, are you start, if not most of this, all of this, you know? However, that's not what me I go really want to say to you. What me want to say to you is, you ask scholars a question. I'm going to read something first before me even go nowhere. When me write. At what point do we stop and ask ourselves where all of this is really leading up to? If anybody wins, then what exactly is the end game? What exactly is the end game? Jemrock, me hear you ask Scholar Smith. Me I go read again. Me hear you ask Scholar Smith what is the suggestion, if you have any suggestion to end all of this or all of that you don't have going on over there. And me I go tell you the suggestion, Jemrock. Me go tell you the suggestion because it's a big part of this whole problem here, you know. You say you are cry peace, but people now listen to you because people know say he is a big part of the problem. Listen to what me I say. Remember me, you send me up on my mother, big dark hole and all of them something. And my mother contact me and said to me, say, who this ya? And me now go say what my mother say towards what about you. You left that out there because she never trouble you. And you know. But what me want to say to you is you ask Scholar Smith, what's the suggestion? Let me tell you the suggestion. Your channel name, you have a thing alive, the voice of the people. Right now, the voice of the people shouldn't be bringing up Daddy Gargan or doing anything like that, because that's what causing most of the problem. You guys, you've been bringing up people in your life, and notice every time you bring people in your life, have you ever seen any solution? Have you ever seen any squashing? No, it get even bigger. Colors was on your live one night, then all of a sudden you call Auntie Pauline, which I think you shouldn't do, but that's your opinion. You call, you do your thing. You need to make your channel the voice of the people. Be the voice of the people. Right now, you need to be talking and asking people what they think about America want to send people to Jamaica that don't even born there. There is so much things out there that you could be talking about as a Rastafarian man. There is so much things you could be talking about out there, rather than to be bringing up Daddy Gargan on the channel to do this. Daddy Gargan will not change. Daddy Gargan can't change. Listen to me good. You talk about my mother, and me and you will never be good. I make this video because of who I am. Me no carry grudge, me no carry feelings for nobody. Me just go tell you where they on my mind and me left it at that, or me leave it alone and not say anything. But when me see last night was an embarrassment. What I saw last night was an embarrassment. Collar Smith was on the live talking to Daddy Gargan. Daddy Gargan was not listening to nothing that Colors have to say, because Daddy Gargan already have what he have and will not change. So when you making those videos and when you doing those lives and all those things, the talk of the people, the voice of the people should be talking about, as a Rastafarian, should be talking about the liberation, the manifestation, the mental capacity of what's going on in the world. Your channel, listen to me good enough, you are worried because your channel that you want to build is going down, and that's the reason why you're trying to call peace. But you have to remember, we are human beings and we are grown folks, and we know what we were doing when we start this stupidness. And if you all don't try to fix it, where you think you're going? In other words, is again, if nobody wins, then what exactly is the end game? Listen to me when I say. Collar Smith say on your channel, him focus, him know what him do, him know what him want, him see what him want, him see where him go. Your channel where you have the voice of the people, bringing up people, calling people to come on your channel to pacify out nothing. People not going to listen to you and what you're saying about pacifying, because you was a part of the problem. You is a cause of why it reached this far. So a lot of people will not listen to you. A lot of people will not trust you, and they will continue not to trust you. Because this moment you make a video, this is the problem. This moment you make a video about Daddy Gargan make a video about you, then it won't call on one another and talk. Then you gonna cuss again. Then you make a video about that lady over so, Dana, Nana. Listen, notice me. Missy say doing it can make money, you know. Listen, me see it, say it can make money by doing it. But when I talk to my mother, and my mother tell me, say, cut out them things. As she put me upon this earth. And once me make a vid, me see you talk about my mother, and my mother never like it. My mother was really, really mad. Because my mother don't even know you. And you go up under send me up under my mother. And then all of a sudden, you trying to be the best person you can. Wish people do change, and people can change what word comes out of their mouth. But you need to cut out the videos them where you are make. Daddy Gargan, listen to me, man. Listen to me good. You see what Daddy Gargan do? He not stop. Nobody can tell Daddy Gargan to stop. Daddy Gargan will not stop. Daddy Gargan is who he is. Daddy Gargan, if Colors could stoop to Daddy Gargan level, Daddy Gargan would be quiet. Daddy Gargan is the kind of man who want you to say, yes, boss. Notice Daddy Gargan talk about clothes. Vanity. Vanity. Daddy Gargan talk about. Remember, I make a video long time. Say Daddy Gargan try the thing with colors I do. And this is not a video me I beat Daddy Gargan, you know. This is just a video me I make and I show no pints. Daddy Gargan have every kind of equipment that used to use in the film industry. Where JBC used to have. Because that's where Daddy Gargan wanted to go. So when Colorsmith start to do it, Daddy Gargan see himself in a Colorsmith and say, yeah. That's what that remember Daddy Gargan was bigging up Colorsmith. And call him Messiah and all those things. And Daddy Gargan, Color say, you don't want nobody call him so. So these are the things we have to sit down and look into as a big man and as a big people. Continuously making these videos will continuously causing the problem. Alright, look at it now. Kino don't do Daddy Gargan nothing at all. And Daddy Gargan make a video say Kino is a cult leader too. And Kino I do things by himself. Kino don't have a team. So that's where for sure know who Daddy Gargan is. Daddy Gargan, all you have to do is just leave Daddy Gargan. You and Daddy Gargan a friend, personal friend or one want call it. But what you are do, you ask Colors for suggestion. And I tell you the truth, my suggestion to you, and me don't care if you want to answer this video, yes or no, because it will show who you is if you answer this video in a certain way. Because me coulda not send you up under everybody. And me not do that. Me not go do that. Me not go stoop to that low capacity. But what me I say to you is, the suggestion where you ask Colorsmith for you is a big man. You supposed to know suggestion or whatever. You supposed to know what suggestion is the best and the good one to use. You no need to stop the stupidness. You no need to stop making videos about each other. And that's the suggestion. You no need to leave each other alone. Because as far as me concerned, me listen to you good enough. And not one of you have any facts. Me have some facts in my head where me could have make video right now about everything we are going on. Me have some, you know. Me even hear Daddy Gargan talk about canter and money. Me have everything about all I want to hear, all of that. But putting it out there is going to hurt people. Channel. And I decided not to do it. So what me I say to you is, your channel, where you have, where say the voice of the people, should be the voice of the people, and stop a try to be the peacemaker. You cannot be a peacemaker when you help start the stupidness. Because the only reason why you are trying to be a peacemaker is because you see your channel going down. So in other words, let me say this to you. And me just be honest to you. And to a lot more people. YouTube just sent me an email about partnership, where you can partner up with a lot of brands and you can partner up with people. And YouTube send me the email. And guys, why me I make them a type of video is because me see YouTube been sending me a lot of emails. So once YouTube has sent me email, that means something good are going on. So to be honest with you, me would like my channel to grow big and strong. So with that said, me I said to myself is when me see the live last night, me say, let me drive off, you know. When me see the live last night, I say I go make a video about when me see and when me listen. Because when me see and when me listen to never make no sense. Because you have Color Smith on your live, Daddy Gargan on your live, and Daddy Gargan have the opportunity for reason with Color Smith. But that wasn't no reasoning. That wasn't no reasoning. Color Smith I try to reason with Daddy Gargan. Daddy Gargan I try to ask Color Smith about beating Kenta. Color Smith I ask him where him get them thing from. Him say Grungad say it on him video. So apparently because Grungad say it, it is correct. So that's where the problem is coming in. So to be honest with you, people now go listen to you attack peace, because there's no way you go listen to a man attack peace who is a big part of the problem. Because alright, this is what me I go say right now, and this is just me being honest. So you make a peace video, and when you make the peace video, then you go cuss out Dana and Nana. What kind of peace? What kind of peace? What kind of peace is that? What kind of peace video is that? If you're saying peace, and then you go over there so go make another video cursing out two females, how that can make any sense? Listen to what me I say. We are big man and big woman. And to be honest with each and every one of you out there, it's a shame. It's a shame to see how us, may I put myself in there? It's a shame to see how us as Jamaicans, they on YouTube, operate on the platform, operate towards each other. Instead, we sit down and I try to build each other, to make each other grow, make money. It's a shame. It's a shame. Yeah, it's really a shame. And guys, if you continue, if you read so far in the video, me want to have a little talk with the viewers and the subscribers. Every one of us content creators have our viewers and subscribers who love us very, very much. You all have opinions. Yeah, you all have opinions about anything. And to be honest, you have the right to do whatever you want to do out there. Comment, say anything you want to say about anything, because it's your opinion and it's your views. And me personally, I appreciate every opinion, I appreciate every views, I appreciate everybody who comment, even the bad ones. Because I get bad comments, people call me idiot. Some of them call me idiot, then can't even spell the word. But guess what? I am not going to, listen me good now, and I go say this really clear. I saw, listen, I saw a lot of rum, and I go show, and I go explain something and why I think Daddy Gargan, what he's doing is just senseless. I saw a lot of, what you call them, let me see, Rum, Vibes with Rosa, Vibes Studio, all of those people. I saw a lot of dear viewers, dear subscribers who come in my comment section and say a lot of things bad about me. Yeah, they say a lot of bad things about me. They talk all manner of evil about me. But I don't go over, I don't get up and make a video cursing them out because of what dear viewers and dear subscribers say about me. No, I don't do that. I go gather my information about them and make my videos, because that's how I make videos. I not go make no videos because one of Rum subscribers says something bad about me or to me. No, I not go do that, because the subscriber is the one who say it. So when Daddy Gargan is going to make a video and feel upset and blaming Colasmith for what Colasmith followers, subscribers, or viewers say to him, that's just totally wrong. That's just telling everybody that you don't really like Colasmith, because Colasmith is not the one that say anything bad to you. The subscribers, the viewers is the one who say it. So are you going to blame, well, not are you, you are blaming Colasmith for their action. But that's just my piece still. What me have to say about when me hear a go on. And this is just, and look at how me make this video. Me and no man pan YouTube are no enemy. Me and nobody pan YouTube no have no beef. Me just a make my content, because the content when me make, people like it. And to be honest with you, right now, the content when me really want to make and people love is the content about domestic violence, mental health issues, and them content that me want to make. Those are the content that I want to make. But when I make those content, nobody watch those videos. But when I make any other videos or bringing out any information of anybody out there, that's what people watch. But is that what we want? No, that's not what we want, because again, your channel is, to be honest with you, if I could be really honest, lot of us channel, we should be at 20,000-30,000 subscribers and making a lot of views. But why you think that's not happening? It's not happening because people is up in their feelings towards each other, when all we need to do is support each other. That's all we need to do. Support each other. If we support each other, we all can benefit from this app. Millions of people is benefiting from this app. There's a lot of people on this app. Alright, think about this. None of us, there's only one person on this app that comes out here and said that he is not monetizing his channel because he don't want the money. Because why he's not monetizing his channel is because he want to be able to tell people anything come out him out. Daddy Gargan said that. And those are the people, and that's the man that many of you support. I mean, I say, we don't know if you support Daddy Gargan. Anybody can support whosoever they want to support. Do whatever them you want. But those are the things that is happening. And how it will stop. When it will stop. Eh? How and when it will stop. It have to stop. At some point and time. It needs to stop. Yeah, it needs to stop at some point and time. Because it reach a point now where it now make no sense. Yeah, it reach a point now where it now make no sense whatsoever. Guys, let me come at this place, yeah. You always have to back up. Are them my people? What is a place where them my people are the spark? My people are the spark anyway. Them not care one bit. Alright, my people, I'm going to deliver the people and food now. So, again, it have to stop. It should stop. But me have to make this video because as far as me concerned, the voice of the people should be spreading the wings wide. You cannot tell people about peace when you are one of the person that start all of what you see is going on. And that's what I think is the problem and why nobody will listen to what you have to say, because remember, you are a part of all of this. And that's the problem. That's the problem. That's why nobody is listening to what you have to say. And I go say this to you straight and to many people too. Daddy Gargan is even making it worse. Worse, because guess what, he's not collecting any money from YouTube. He don't care if his channel go big or small. He don't care. So if you care about your channel, and if anybody out there who care about their channel need to cut out the stupidness, stop making these back-to-back videos about each other, grow the channel somewhere else, some other different way, then all of this would stop. If nobody if you get up this morning and don't make a video about anything that is going on when it come on to Color Smith or anybody, don't you think people will be like, oh, we don't have that to watch, so make we watch something else? But if you continue to make video about Nana, about Dana, about whosoever, the friction will continue. The thing is, asking Colors what he think is the suggestion for peace to finish this. You have the answer right in your pocket. You have the answer right in front of you. Stop making the videos them. Stop bringing people every time, every single live, the voice of the people is talking about Color Smith and Daddy Gargan and what's going on, and that's what your voice of the people is. Every single voice of the people, because you believe me, now what me watch. So my suggestion to each and every one of you out there, me can't tell people what you're doing. I mean, I try to tell people what to do. But to better the channel them, to make more money from the channel them, is to cut out the stupidness and make video with value. Make videos with values. Make videos showing all kind of equipment. Okay. YouTube give me a tip. Yesterday when I was watching the videos that they sent me, because YouTube sent me a bunch of videos. One of the tips that YouTube said I should use in your video, in your house. Say for instance you have a blender in your house. While making your video, use the blender and say something about the blender. Tag the blender company in your video. When you do that a lot with that same blender or that same company. Then 6-7 months down the road, you send them an email telling them about, asking them if you can be affiliate a person for their brand, or if you can do a brand deal. So those are the things that we all should be doing, which I'm trying to put those things in my videos little by little, so we can get paid. That's what we need to do. Set up our videos that we can get paid and cut out the stupidness. Cut out the stupidness. Just look, last night alone should show you and others that this not gonna stop unless you stop it yourself. Because Daddy Gargan set one way, and it's Daddy Gargan way. My viewers and subscribers, know what's no face? I'm out. I mean no harm to nobody. The truth is the truth, and me just have to be right and say my views and my point to when me watch, and it now work out. It now make no sense. So watch ya. Peace and love. And I'm out. Me, when me wrong, you know. Me take accountability, because that's very important. Accountability. With that said, me gone. Bye-bye.